Here we have the 2009 Honda Accord 5-speed automatic transmission. This model is the B09A. Here is the pressure regulator valve body, and here we see the pressure regulator valve, and this is the stator reaction arm that works to increase line pressure, putting a force against the pressure regulator valve. Now, the Transgo Lube kit was installed in this valve body, where we drilled the 0.046 diameter hole between two passages there at the pressure regulator valve to dramatically increase the flow to the torque converter and the lubrication circuit. Now, it's a little difficult to assemble this transmission. It has to go together in stages as we stack up the gear train. And at this point, I'll install one more gear and then slip the case down onto the transmission. Now, the feed tubes and this lubrication tube, they'll actually come through the case, so they'll be installed after the case is in position. Then, of course, we'll install the solenoids, hook up the wiring harness and the connector and the other auxiliary components on the surface of the case, and away we go. One thing that's important is that you carefully clean the case, the old gasket. Here we see the new gasket. It's not recommended to use any type of sealer. And make sure, of course, the three alignment dowels are in position, and we should be ready to go. The Honda 5-speed, 6-speed, and 4-speed automatic transmissions, the family of them, can be difficult to work on, but with a little practice and care, it's certainly a transmission that is easily rebuilt and is a good project there for any shop.